What is a word format painter and what does it do? Please watch this video up to the end. That is what I'm going to be talking about. Okay, I have my document ready. Open. Like you can have any other existing document which is already open, like which is already in your computer. So what you do, you, like for example, sometimes you can, let me just edit this first line here and maybe change the font size, font style, maybe to this. Okay, and also increase the size maybe to 20. Okay, now with this setting, I can go, like for example, down here, then here I click on this format painter, then I highlight this line here. Once I release, it applies the same settings for this line here. Okay, this is what a format painter does. Okay, you can just do something here, same thing. Okay, you just pick, you select this format painter and highlight any word you want to change. It will change. That is how that is what a format painter does. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.